if it's a Mohawk grad from the insurance program, I look for CIP credits. The ones that have the maximum amount of credits that were available to them that they've graduated from, we put them to the top of the pile. So that's the number one thing. The second thing we look for is volunteerism. If they've spent their time wisely away from school on volunteering for things like coaching or charities or teaching or that sort of thing. We look for that. And the third thing I would look for is social media, whether they have a Twitter account or particularly a LinkedIn account. Even if they don't tell us on the resume, we'll typically go looking for those types of things, and we'll find information there. So it's obviously important that those are maintained well. You can almost tell it from their resume. They did get the maximum amount of CIP credits, and then once we hired them, they continued on to finish their CIP and be aggressive enough to go after their FCIP or a university degree, that sort of thing. But it was more than just the schooling. It was the work that they would put in. I think the Mohawk diploma is more of a base, and it shouldn't be an expectation of what's to come. And if you treated it that way, you'd generally be pretty good in the workplace as well. Most of the insurance industry does have a LinkedIn profile, so you can go through and find other Mohawk grads. And I think it is a pretty tight community, the Mohawk grads. So if you reach out and connect to them, ask them, for advice on where you should find work, that sort of thing, they'll reply, and that's how you would make contacts in the industry.